Hey friends, welcome back. We moved into our 1970s house about 9 months ago, and I've been trying to figure out what vibe I'm going for in this house, and I finally figured out that I love cottagecore. It popped up on my Pinterest the other day, and I was like, where has this been my whole life? Like, I freaking love this style, and I did my fireplace like it without even really knowing. And I've actually thrifted a ton of like cottagecore things over the past, well, forever. I just didn't put the two and two together. So today I'm going to show you my latest cottagecore finds. The big thing in cottagecore is gingham, and I found these gorgeous gingham pillows with a little ruffle, and they go great in my little boy's room, which I just DIY'd, and I have a video coming out on that soon. It's so cute, and I can't wait to show you. I also got this wooden bowl. I just love how rustic it is. It's like a carved wooden bowl, and it was only $2. I also got this crock. It was $12. It's like actually real pottery. Comes with this really cool lid. I think I'm going to put my cooking utensils in it, like by my range, and I think it's gonna be so pretty. I love the color of it, and these are so expensive to buy from like a regular store, so still. I also got this lamp. It was $10. It does not look like much now, but I'm planning to do a little makeover. I'm planning to film doing a little makeover on it, so I'm excited about that one. I also got these copper ladles. First of all, I think they're pretty, but they're also functional. And then I got this other vase, and this was $5. I've seen these in antique shops, and they're super expensive. So I was thrilled to find one for $5. I also got this tablecloth. It has this eyelet fabric on the ends of it. I don't see myself keeping it as a tablecloth. Maybe I'm thinking I might make like a pillowcase out of it for my daughter's room. I don't know. It was speaking to me, so I had to buy it. And I'm gonna use it for something. I don't know what yet. I also got this vase, and this is not a vase. I got this basket, and it was $1. And can you just imagine me getting my eggs for my chickens like this? So cute. I'm also loving the cottagecore like fashion style as well, and I've had tons of shirts posted on my Pinterest, and I found this really pretty. It's like a dainty little sweater with a ruffle on it, and it's actually J. Crew. And this was $15, a little bit more spendy than what I like to spend thrifting, but since it was such a good brand and in great condition and I loved it, I decided to get it. Something that I'm always looking for at thrift stores is down-filled pillows. So I actually needed one this size for my bedroom. I have two, and I wanted 3 for my king bed. And this is perfect. I also really love to go to any store like Target or Hobby Lobby or even Amazon and just buy the slip-on covers over the down-filled pillow, and it will just feel like higher quality and like higher end, if you will. Anyway, love this. Super happy. This was $6. I also got a smaller one, so I like to do the bigger one in the back. Like if I'm putting it on my couch, I like to do a bigger one in the back and then a smaller one in front of it, and I think it looks really cute. Hi, honey.
Train conductors in town, choo choo.
I also got these frames. This is kind of my inspiration, but I love just having like dainty frames on a wall, especially like these two are the same size. But I love how this one's a little bit longer. I'm excited for those. This is one of my favorite thrift finds of all time. It's this adorable little chair, and I actually got it a couple years ago, but I've never shown it. It's just so cute and antique. I think it's probably like 50-ish years old, and it's in great condition. My kids love just sitting here. They love to fight over it, but they also love to read books in it. And then lastly are these overalls, and the best part is I have 2 pairs. You guys know I do a lot of DIYs, and so my plan for this is to like whatever clothes I'm wearing that day, I can wear them, and then these are big enough that I can just flip right over. If I need to paint a wall really quick or like put some spackle on the wall, I don't have to worry about getting my other clothes dirty. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like these are kind of a vibe. I feel like these are kind of cute in a really weird way. So, and also, here's the full tour. We got a little hammer pocket here. I've got a pocket right here for my little, I don't even know what this is called, but I use it all the time. Right there. And then I also have this pocket, fits this whole entire level right here. Like, what else do I need? And also, like, if I have to, I could just, boom. I'm just kidding. But isn't that awesome? And I now have 2 pairs of them. If you haven't been following along on my reels, go check those out. I've been posting lots of DIYs and like day in the lives and all sorts of things. So I'm excited to post more like homemaking, mom stuff, DIYs, thrifting, all of that. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye.